Hello guys, today we are unboxing an Samsung S10 Plus. I already removed out the seal. Hopefully opening it and let's see what we have got in it. The upper part contains a cover type which contains an ejection pin on it. Let's open it now. So looking inside, it contains quick start and user guide. Okay, let's move it the other side and open box. So moving towards box, it contains device at front. Let's remove this apart and check other accessories. First I am gonna remove the C connector type charger. Now removing this universal shoe which all Samsung device contains. And here are some A and B to C connectors. So here is the original and purified and cool quality headphones provided by Samsung. These are amazing, as you can see. So let's remove all of this stuff apart to check out our main item. Let me hold camera. Now let's have an experience of a cool device. A brilliant device to use. It's honor for me to hold it. Its color is prism white. It have triple cameras and flashlight and a heartbeat sensor. Now let's power it on. Its touch screen quality is brilliant. Its camera is unique from others. Let's wait. What a beautiful logo it have. Wait a little, it's booting up. Okay. Please wait. Android is starting and it will take some of your time. Sorry for that. So here comes your first appearance to this device. Click let's go, and now select your language. Basically there are almost all languages. I must use English of US, nope UK. Okay, click the arrow. Now agree to all and click next button at the bottom. Skip this for now and next. Now skip all of these. Now let the time being same and I will change it later. So I will put a passcode lock if necessary. I don't want all these apps, so I am gonna skip it and will install later if required. Even skip it. Now all done and click finish. And now here comes first view for your new device O/S. A brilliant operating system. Let's check phone app. A cool device. Wow. This is really cool. What a recent apps window. This window allows you to choose some common apps. Wow. Thank you guys for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. Love you all. Bye.